Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily replay and how you can use the bar replay on TradingView. So what you can do is to simply go next to the alert. It's going to be bar replay. Click on it. So let's say I'm going to choose replay, and then you're going to choose the jump to, and let's say I want to jump here, right? And I'm going to increase the speed here, and you see right here how it's changing, right? And then you can analyze it. So that's how we do it, right? And this is how we can easily use the replay button. You can forward it also by ourselves. And yeah, if you can have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.